So let's get started with the cleaning and care of your iCombi Classic. It's important to take regular care of your iCombi Classic, cleaning it on a daily basis. That begins with cleaning with a gentle cloth on the exterior surfaces of your device, and then making sure once we open the device up that we're also cleaning and wiping down just with a regular detergent around the door seal and the door seal itself. You can also clean in between the door glass itself, so just removing the door glass and cleaning in between that areas. All of this can be done prior to the cleaning process starting on your iCombi Classic. With the automatic cleaning process, you're going to need your cleaning chemicals. In this case, we have our active green cleaner tablets and our blue care tablets. To begin a cleaning cycle, simply select from your menu on the bottom right-hand side, and then our cleaning function, which is the second menu item down. You'll be shown 4 different cleaning cycles, starting at our strong cycle through to medium, light, and simply just a rinse with no chemicals. In this case today, we're going to do a light cleaning cycle. It will show me I need 1 care tablet and 1 active green tablet, so 1 of each. To load the tablets, simply position the active green. It's got a tear off tab at the side. We can open that one up, place that in the basket in the bottom of the cooking cabinet. With our care tablets, we can open up those care tablets, open up the blue drawer at the front of the device, and load the care tablets into the front. Once we close the door, we can then select that we're happy with the light cleaning cycle. It will prompt me and remind me to make sure that I have in fact removed all of the accessories from the chamber, so make sure we don't leave any trays in, and the fact that we have loaded the chemicals in. We close the door, and from that point on, the cleaning process will start. Now this is how we do cleaning and care for our iCombi Classic.